Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bethalto, local, and long distance movers near me. Our movers will provide all the necessary long distance moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you're moving across the country or just one state over, we have the right crew for you. With our long distance moving services, you won't have to worry about anything. You might think that hiring an Illinois moving company isn't necessary for a local move. However, moving all your belongings from one location to another is a big job. No matter how far you have to travel, with our help, the job gets done faster and easier. Hiring 3 movers for your local move means you save time and energy. We take care of all the heavy lifting and streamline your entire move. Our local movers can handle even the largest move in just one afternoon. When you need the best Bethalto moving company, you simply need to call us. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bethalto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.